Good morning, friends. Friends, in last video lecture we discussed letter writing. And letter writing it question asked for 5 marks in our activity sheet. We discussed on it. There are 2 types of letter. One is informal letter and second is formal letter. Actually we studied what is the meaning and definition of informal letter and what is the meaning and the definition of the formal letter. Actually we studied in last video. Friends, today we are going to discuss on letter writing, especially informal letter writing, and the parts or states of the informal letter. Today we are going to discuss on states of the letter informal letter writing. Actually there are 6 states, 6 parts of the informal letter. There are 6 states included in informal letter. Which are they? First, address of the sender. Second, date of the letter. Third, salutation. Fourth, main body of the letter. Number 5, the complementary clause. And number 6, sender's name. These are 6 states. These are 6 parts of the informal letter. Actually we studied part and its descriptions. Okay. Now we are going to discuss on first part, first steps of the informal letter, address of the sender. It is the first step. It is the first part of the informal letter. And descriptions of the part, this is the first step. This is the first step. It should be written at top of the left side corner of the page. It should be, this is the first step. It should be written at the top of the left side corner of the page. It is the first step. Second, date of the letter. It is the second step. It is the second part of the informal letter. And what is the description of its steps? The date should be written below the address of the sender. What is the description of this step? Date of the letter. The date should be written below the address of the sender. It means left side, under the address of the sender. The third stage is salutation. Salutation. What is the description of salutation? Salutation is the expression of greeting. In informal letter, salutation should be written at the left side under the line of date of the letter. Greetings are like my dear friend, my dear. Greetings are like my dear mother, my dear friend, my dear brother, etc. etc. My dear friend, etc. Then fourth steps of the informal letter, main body of the letter. It is a very important part of the informal letter. Actually, it is a main part of the every letter. Main body body of the letter. What is the description of main body of the letter? This is the most important steps. Actually, this is the most important step, each and every letter. This is the most important step in letter writing. All information should occur in this step as the cause purpose of letter writing. The main body of the letter is divided into different paragraphs. Actually, main body is divided in different paragraphs according to the change in the ideas of the sender. Student should make minimum 2 and maximum 3 paragraphs in this text. Student should write main body of the letter minimum 2 paragraphs and maximum 3 paragraphs. Keep in mind. Then fifth step of the informal letter, the complementary clause. What is the description of complementary clause? In the end, leave is taken by the sender from the addressee in a courteous manner like this: ever lovingly. In this way, student can write the complementary clause in informal letter. And last but one, the step part of the informal letter is sender's name. It is the last step. It is the sixth step of the informal letter. And what is the description of each letter? Below the complementary clause, the sender must give his or her full name. Friends, these are 6 parts and these are 6 steps of the informal letter, and these are description of these steps, these parts of the informal letter. Okay. In next video, we shall discuss on the steps of formal letter. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.